It's Matthew B. And today we're going to, it's just about 2 minutes or 1 minute before the nuclear strikes. I'm so scared right now. So we got a lot of food supplies in this container over here. We got very, very important fruits and goodies to, we got very, very important goodies. And right now I'm in my I'm in the basement. It's really dark in here. The electricity suddenly cut off, and I'm just taking shelter. But yeah, we do have a lot of food here, which is good. Let me see. Where's my snacks? It's over there. I'm trying to get it.